This is day 5 of using a chair as a piece of workout equipment. Remember, make sure your chair is strong and sturdy so that it can support your weight and not break underneath you during a workout. We're going to start our low intensity interval training workout where we make some aerobic movements for 45 seconds, then rest in 15 for 5 rounds. Are you ready to make some moves in minutes? The workout begins in 15 seconds. So we're going to be walking on the spot, opposite leg, so opposite arms, just like so. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk. The more you swing your arms, the better it is. You can pretend that there are birds everywhere, looking everywhere you want, or looking forward at the workout. "15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do some star jumps sitting down. So we're going to bring our knees apart as we bring our hands up and bring it back together again. Simple as that. Okay, we got 3, 2, 1. Sitting star jumps. And we're halfway there. Ten more seconds, and remember to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Okay, now we're going to do some knee raises and reach our hands to the sky. Knee raises and reach our hands to the sky. Keeping it nice and simple and hopefully effective. No, it's definitely effective because movement is medicine. And raise your knees up, reach to the sky. Raise your knees up, reach to the sky. It's okay to tilt your body a little bit back to get some balance. We're half the way point now. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to pretend that we're sitting on a canoe. So, as you may remember before, right hand goes on top of the left hand and we stroke to the left side. Now, left hand on the top of the right hand, we stroke to the right hand side, just like so. And right hand on top, stroke to the left. Left hand on top, stroke to the right. As if we're moving the boat forward. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do this. Put our knees slightly apart, and every time we get into a rhythm, we should say, just lift your arms and legs out like so. Lift your legs out and arms like so. And raise your knees and arms like back together again. You'd also lean back to get some balance. Remember to breathe. And keep your back straight. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect, we're done. I do apologize. I have a very itchy nose and I don't know why. Anyway, if you enjoyed that workout, hit the like button. If you have a comment to say as if how you felt, or if you have suggestions for future aerobic seated workouts, let me know. If you feel like you could do more, check out my old videos to do some revision, or if you're new to this channel, add on to your workout routine. The more, the better. Okay, hit subscribe because there will be more workout videos and I'll catch you all next time. Ciao, ciao.